Hello student, in this video I will teach you prescription and parts of prescription. The course name of current video is Pharmaceutic Second and the course code is DPHT 2001 and the program name is DPharma. Prescription. Definition of prescription is a written order from a registered medicinal practitioner to pharmacist to compounding and dispenses a specific medication for patient. So basically we will talk about the definition of prescription. So it is a written order that is given by a registered medicinal practitioner to a pharmacist so that a pharmacist can compound and dispense a specific medication that is mentioned on the prescription or that on that written format for the patient. Compounding and dispensing both process including calculation of the medication and describe the mode of administration to the patient and timing of the administration of medicine to the patient. The prescriptions are generally written in the English language but Latin word or observations are frequently used in order to save time. Prescription generally any pharmacist generally write a prescription in English language, but most of the Latin words are used frequently so that a pharmacist can save time. Now we will talk about parts of prescription. So number first, date. Second, name, age, sex and address of the patient. Third, superscription. Fourth, inscription. Five, subscription. Six, signa and signature. Seven, renewal instructions. And eight, signature address and registered number of the prescriber. Uh, now we will study part of prescription in detail. First one, date. It helps a pharmacist to find out the date of prescribing and date of prescription for filling the prescription. Basically, any pharmacist or any medical practitioner mention a date on that written format that is known as prescription so that pharmacist can easily find out the date of prescription and date of prescription for filling that particular prescription. The prescription which prescribe narcotics or other habit forming drugs must bear the date so as to avoid the misuse of prescription if it is presented by the patient a number of time for dispensing. In case of if any medicinal practitioner or pharmacist prescribing narcotic or any type of drug that may cause tolerance or habit to the patient, in that case it is essentially or necessary to mention date on the prescription so that a pharmacist can avoid the misuse of prescription and it can easily visible how many time a patient buy that particular medicine. Second, name, age, sex, and address of the patient must be written in the prescription because it serves to identify the prescription. The age, sex, name, and address of the patient should also be mentioned on the prescription. In case if any of the information is missing in prescription, the same may be included by the pharmacist after proper inquiry from the patient. In case by mistake any of the above information like if anyone forget to mention name, age, sex and address of that particular patient, then pharmacist should ask to the patient or the medicinal practitioner and then he must add those information on the prescription. Uh, after that these information is also used in that dose calculation of child. Third, superscription. It is represented by RX symbol. When we start to write medication or the third part of any prescription is known as superscription that is represented by RX symbol. It is a Latin word that means you take. The meaning of RX word is you take. In older days the symbol was considered to organize originated from the sign of Jupiter. From the older days, the symbol that is considered that is originated basically from the sign of Jupiter, that is known god of healing. The symbol was employed by the ancient of requesting God for the quick recovery of the patient. And it was believed that symbol employed an ancient requesting to make a quick recovery of the patient. Fourth, inscription. This is the main part of the prescription order, contains the names and quantities of the prescribed ingredient. This part, that means inscription, is the main part which contain names as well as the quantities of prescribed ingredients. The name of each ingredient written on a separate line along with its quantity. The name of each ingredient which the patient is going to use as a medication is written in a separate line along with its quantity. In complex prescription, it is divided into following part. In case the prescription is too long or complex, then any medical practitioner or pharmacist can divide in the following parts, and the following parts are: first, base, the active medicaments which are intended to produce the therapeutic effect. Basically, base meaning the active medicament by which after administration the patient will get a perfect therapeutic effect or relief from that particular disease. Second, adjuvant, it is included either to enhance action of medicament or improve the palatability of the preparation. In case if patient need a fast mode of action of base drug, then in case then in that case pharmacist may prescribe adjustments so that it may increase the mode of action or the therapeutic effect of the base drug. Third, vehicle. It is included the prescription either to dissolve the solid ingredient or to increase the volume of the preparation. Vehicle is basically included in the preparation to dissolve the solid ingredients if there is an administration problem with patient, or either we can use to increase the volume of the prescription. Nowadays, the majority of the drugs are prescribed which are already in suitable formulation. As per the need of the patient, now all the manufacturing companies are trying to formulate that kind of preparation which on which there is no need to formulate or compound by the patient. So nowadays, a majority of drugs is prescribed by the pharmacists that are already in a suitable formulation as per the need of the patient. The pharmacist as is required to dispense the ready-made form of drugs, so compounding and of prescription is almost eliminated, as pharmacist is also required to dispense that type of drug that are ready-made, so that pharmacist can save time that was used in the compounding of the prescription. Fifth one, subscription. This comprises direction to the pharmacist for preparing the prescription and number of doses to be dispensed. The fifth part of the prescription, that is known as subscription, it includes the directions to the pharmacist for preparing the prescription and number of doses that is gonna to dispense to the patient. Six, signature or signa. It consists the direction to be given to the patient regarding the administration of drug. This part of prescription include all the direction that should be given by a pharmacist to the patient regarding the administration of drug. It is usually written as sign SIG on the prescription. Usually this part of the prescription mention on that prescription as SIG. The instruction given in the prescription are required to transfer to the container in which the medicaments is to be dispensed so that the patient can follow it. Af- After explaining the instruction about the drug administration, a pharmacist should given the prescription or required to transfer the container in which medicament to be dispensed so that patient can easily follow that instructions. The instruction may include the quantity to be. Now if we will talk about the instruction which are given by the pharmacist to a patient, they that may include the quantity that should be taken or the amount that should be used as a one dose. Second, the frequency and timing of the administration or application. How many times the medication should be taken by the patient and how to apply in case of topical preparations. The route of administration, by which route a patient should take that medicament, by oral, injectable, by which route. Fourth one is the special instructions such as dilution direction. In case if there is any special interaction or direction regarding any medicament that is mentioned in the prescription, then the pharmacist should also explain about that particular medicament to the patient. 7.1, renewal instructions. The prescriber indicate on every prescription order whether it may be renewed, and if so, how many times. The prescriber also indicate or mention on the prescription about the prescription order, so that everyone can easily find out how many times that particular drug is taken by the patient. It is very important, particularly in prescription containing the narcotics and habit forming drugs, to prevent the misuse. In case on the prescription narcotics and habit forming drugs are issued to the patient, so in that case it is very much necessary to mention the renewal instruction, so that everyone can easily find out that either patient is misusing that prescription or not. Eighth and the last one is signature, address and registration number of the prescriber. The prescription must bear a signature of the prescriber along with its registration number and address. Prescriber should also mention his or her registration number and also mention address, even it is complete address or just a city name. It is very important, particularly in the prescription containing the narcotic and habit forming drugs, to prevent the misuse. Again, it is very much necessary in case if prescription bear the narcotic or habit forming drugs, so that we can easily prevent the misuse of the prescription or that particular drugs. So this is all about the prescription, definition of prescription and the parts of the prescription. Hope you all understand. Hope hope the concept of this will be clear to you. Thank you very much.